today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lip or cheek stain. Now for this, some stuff is optional depending on different things, so let's go ahead and get started. For the first one, you're going to need a little bit of water. You're going to need some food coloring. You will need little containers. Now I'm using these two containers. This is from a Play-Doh thing, and this one is from one of those little, like, sort of like a gumball machine, but with little stuff in it or whatever. I'm going to be using a little toothpick to stir. And Vaseline is for either if you want one that's sort of like a creamy type of one that you can, it's not a good idea to use the Vaseline for your skin because this could clog your pores, so you could use this one for your lips, sort of a moisturizing type of thing that's not really a lip stain, just sort of a moisturizing thing. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. The one is a little bit bigger, and that's why I decided to use this one for the lip stain and the cheek stain. This one's going to be with no Vaseline. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I put about this much water. Yeah, that's our cat. That's someone else's cat. I don't know, we just found this thing. It keeps laying here, I don't know why. So we're going to use this much water, and that's about half the cup. You can use as much water as you think, as much water as you think, okay? Depending on how much you need, or how you want this to go. The more water you put, the more extract you will need. The more color you will need. Dumped out a little bit less water this time. Okay, so put about 1 drop. Oh, that was actually 2 or 3. It's alright. Actually, I heard that you're supposed to put, depending on how much you think you'll need, how dark you want it to. This sort of looks like blood. Now mix. I'm going to use the toothpick to mix. Now I heard this, depending on what type of food coloring you use, this could stain your lips. Stain your skin, but you might want to be careful to make sure that this is not bad or anything. Now this I got from someone else. I forgot what their name is. I'm going to put the name right now, the other person that gave me this idea. So I'm going to put in their name right here or somewhere. I don't know. I'll put it somewhere in the vid. Put a little bit on my hand to make sure that it's like a good color. So I put a little bit more of the red in it, and this is what it looks like after I put it on my hand. So it sort of looks red. So yeah. So you want it to look something like that. The reason why it sort of has that glossiness is because I literally took a toothpick and I had a little bit of Vaseline on it already from before, and so yeah. Now for like the lip gloss sort of one, then you can go ahead and grab a little container, and I use this one. I'm going to go ahead and wash this out right now. So add some color or whatever, the color. I did about 2 or 3 drops. I didn't get to see very well. Take just a bit of Vaseline. So I put a little bit of the Vaseline in there, and this is what it sort of looks like. It has a little bit of dots, but that's okay. And I just use a toothpick to stir it all around. I put 2 more drops of the color, but that's okay. So this is great for moisturizer. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like with it on. This is what it basically looks like, and that's all really for today. Can you tell, you guys, this color? It's pretty bright. So that's all for today, and I love you guys, and I hope you guys try this all out. I'm sorry that I didn't show the full footage. It's just that I didn't want to waste your guys' time. So I love you guys, and bye. And I hope you like this tutorial. Mwah! With the red lip gloss on my lips. By the way, you can look how cute this little container is. And by the way, you can add a little bit of vanilla extract for some smell, but I didn't because I didn't have any more left. Doesn't this look so cute, this little lip stain? Mwah. I hope you guys like this. Let me get this inside the light. Maybe this will help. Do you guys like this? Bye-bye-bye. Mwah. Yeah. Bye.